Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Aparna Elina project which is located in Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. So friends, we are on the project location. This project is sprawled over 3 acres of land and consists of a single tower comprised of 2 wings. It consists of G plus 20 numbers of floors and total comprises of 152 numbers of units. The project offers 3, 4 and 5 BHK residential apartments. This is the view of connecting road in front of the project, and here is the grand entrance. So this is the main entrance gate of Aparna Elina project. So from here you can take the view of kids play area. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 4 BHK model flat. It's a premium project by the name of Aparna Elina. So this we have entered into the project. Here you can see the designer lobby, entrance lobby. And this is the spacious living room. And here you can see the modular kitchen, very well furnished with fantastic interior work. And now we are moving towards the separate utility area. It's quite spacious, as you can see. It's a luxury project. Here you can see the dining hall. Beautiful interior work has been done in this model apartment. And now we have entered into the master bedroom. The spacious master bedroom, very well crafted with laminated wooden flooring. The same interior work has been done in the actual apartments. Here is an attached washroom. Here is a window. From here you can take the outside view of the city. Aesthetically designed apartments. As here you can see, the walls are crafted with beautiful interior work. Here is an attached balcony with the living room. From here you can see the metro connectivity. Now we are moving towards the second living room. So this is the view of second living room. Again you can see the mesmerizing interior work. Now here is the common washroom. Double vitrified tiles work has been done in the washrooms. And here is the bedroom with attached washroom. So this we have entered into the bedroom. Here you can see the interior work. Now moving next. Here comes the another bedroom of this model apartment. The spacious bedroom with lavish interior decoration. Over there you can see the wardrobe section. It's one of the premium project of Bangalore. Now here is an attached washroom with this bedroom with ultra modern fittings. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a 4 BHK model apartment. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.